Today we're driving a K24 swapped Miata. This should be a lot of fun. Let's see how it goes. We are out at Buttonwillow Raceway at a track day here in California. Oh yeah, sweet. This feels like a 5-speed. Awesome. Manual steering. So, should be a good time. Don't see any traffic. Haha, you can feel VTEC kick in. It's a Miata muscle car. car's got some serious power. We're taking it gingerly today. First time ever out on track at Buttonwillow. Not my car, so we wanted to take it a little bit easier, but oh, what a pleasure. We're also about to run out of gas, so there's that too. Oh, man. A lot of fun stuff out here on track today. This is organized by a bunch of college students, and the goal is basically for them to get out of the canyons and back onto track. And it is just a super fun event. What a riot.
Oh wait, oh, you gotta drive it?
Yeah.
Dude. Oh, where's Brandon? I gotta tell him.
Yeah, where's Brandon? Still haven't met him. Driven his car, haven't met him. I always wanted to drive a K24 swap Miata. I had Deviate, the K20 9for9 racing Miata for a little bit. This is better. Cool. All right. Should be pretty cooled off. Awesome. We'll leave the keys in there. Looks great with this different bumper too.
It seems to be handling it. Looks just like your generator. The actual cluster works? Okay. Yeah. Alright, cool. Yeah, because I was looking, I always want to make sure custom car, not to overheat it or anything, but no, I mean,